Let's talk about Google Agentspace, an emerging tool in the realm of AI. It's a platform designed to create, manage, and evolve populations of AI agents. These AI agents can learn from their experiences and adapt to complex environments. Google's DeepMind developed Agentspace to advance the development of AI in a controlled, virtual setting. Its primary goal is to understand how AI agents can learn and evolve over time. Agentspace offers several key features that make it a unique platform. It provides an environment where AI agents can learn and evolve. Its flexible design allows for the creation of diverse populations of agents. It also employs a novel evolutionary algorithm which promotes the development of complex behaviors. Moreover, Agentspace supports multi-agent interactions, allowing agents to learn from each other. The platform is also open source, encouraging collaboration and innovation. As an open source project, Google Agent Space is free to use, making it accessible to anyone interested in AI development. This open source nature encourages collaboration, innovation, and the free exchange of ideas. However, keep in mind that while the platform itself is free, implementing and maintaining AI systems can come with significant computational and human resource costs. Agent Space is ideal for a variety of use cases. It is perfect for researchers aiming to study the evolution and learning of AI agents in controlled environments. It's also beneficial for developers who want to create diverse populations of AI agents and observe their interactions. Moreover, educational institutions can leverage it to provide hands-on experience to students in AI development and evolution. Agent Space comes with several advantages. It allows for the study of AI evolution in a controlled environment, leading to better understanding and development. Its open source nature fosters collaboration and innovation. It supports multi-agent interaction, enabling agents to learn from each other. Additionally, it's free to use, making AI development accessible to a wider audience. Like any tool, Agent Space has its limitations. The platform requires significant computational resources, which could be a barrier for some users. Additionally, while the multi-agent interaction feature is beneficial, it can also complicate the development process. Lastly, since it's a relatively new platform, it may lack the robustness and maturity of other established AI platforms. In conclusion, Google Agent Space offers unique opportunities for studying and developing AI agents. Its open source nature, multi-agent support, and evolutionary algorithm are significant advantages. However, its computational demands and complexity can pose challenges. Overall, it's a promising platform for those interested in AI evolution and development, but careful consideration of its limitations is necessary. To recap, Google Agent Space is an open source platform for creating and evolving AI agents. It's free to use, supports multi-agent interactions, and is ideal for studying AI evolution. However, it requires substantial computational resources and can be complex to manage. It's an innovative tool that holds promise for the future of AI development. Thank you for watching this analysis of Google Agent Space. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech content. Your support helps us create more videos like this one. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.